unlocking the mysteries of the red planet, spirit and opportunity at work. Ever wondered about the terrain of our neighboring planet, Mars? Spirit and opportunity, our Mars rovers, have answers. These twin rovers embarked on an extraordinary adventure, revealing Mars' captivating secrets and stirring the imagination of millions. Overcoming harsh landscapes and unpredictable conditions, they unveiled a Mars once ripe for life. Their discoveries reshaped our understanding of the red planet. Spirit, despite her untimely silence, disclosed evidence of past water on Mars. Her resilience symbolized our unyielding quest for knowledge. Opportunity, going beyond her expected lifespan, explored vast terrains, unveiling Mars' geologic history and the potential for life. Their stories of endurance and ingenuity inspire us, reminding us that the universe's mysteries are within our reach. The Mars exploration rovers continue to pave the path for future exploration.